We are in Luton Automotive Assembly Plant. GEFCO is working in partnership with 5 different Tier 1 suppliers to support the launch of a new commercial vehicle. This on-site dedicated operation, set up in a tight time scale, is the next evolution of our UK strategy regarding supply chain solution design. Our aim is to be the benchmark for automotive supply chain partners. This is a unique project for GEFCO, particularly in the UK, because this is the first time we had to set up an operation away of our existing facility. We are here in the OEM factory and we had to manage different requirements, including the installation of different machinery, different manual handling equipment, as well as setting up different IT infrastructure and links with our customers and also with the OEM. Timing is obviously an important element in the achievement of this project. Many decisions need to be taken, but the deadline for the first vehicle to be produced cannot be delayed. In that respect, the GEFCO teams have to work consistently in order to achieve this target.
The project team have had to work to an incredibly tight timescale of only 6 months. We were able to access our site from month 3, at which point we were able to start facility readiness, the installation of the assembly lines, the recruitment, training and pre-launch testing to be able to be fully ready and support the launch for month 6. During the course of the project, we received additional customer nominations. Building on the success of our supply line sequencing model, we are now expanding to offer build, test, sequence and line feed. In addition to pure sequencing, the Luton operation also includes some pre-sequenced assembly operations. We have bumpers and fuel tanks, which we fully assemble from component parts. We test them and then we sequence them and deliver them through to the assembly line. We've been able to offer a smooth and successful launch thanks to the dedication of our specialist launch teams made up of experts from HR, IT, procurement and operations. At full capacity, we will employ 120 people across 3 shifts and be supporting the build of 100,000 vehicles per year. Some of our biggest achievements during the project and the things that I'm most proud of, I would say, are the ability of the project team to absorb the evolution of the scope of work and the additions of new customers that we brought into the project, still in the tight time scale without having any impact on the start of production date.
Our people, our resilience and our expertise are our keys to turn challenges into success. In consideration of the complexity of the operation, the permanent evolution of the customer demand, but also a tight time scale, this is a perfect demonstration of how GEFCO could be a great partner, unlimited, for benefiting the supply chain manufacturing industry.